get the volume of the box and then remove a cylinder from it. So the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. The volume of the box is length multiplied by width multiplied by height. Please remember the radius is, what's the radius? And the height? 24. Because it goes this direction here, which is the same as the 24. And then for the length multiplied by the height, so the length is 16 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 4 for that. Okay. Lads, what you get? 16 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 4. What you get? 1,500 and centimeters cubed. Its volume. Now, next thing you're gonna do? Yes, what's up? Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm totally wrong. It's 16, isn't it? Sorry, my fault. So go again. 6144. Alright, sorry guys. 6144 because the height is 16 and the width is 16. Now, let's do the volume of the cylinder now. The volume of the cylinder is the pi button multiplied by 4 squared multiplied by the height, which is 24. What is the volume in decimal places, please? What?
1206.37.
Can we else get 1206.37? Okay. Now, get your 6,144 and take away 1,206.37. We got 4938? 0.37.
4937.63.
Oh, to the nearest. Yeah, I get you. So you rounded to most of you rounded it off to 1206. And then just took it away and got 4938. Okay, centimeters cubed. We all good? Okay. Now, guys, what we're going to deal with first, guys, is the following. Find the area of metal needed to cover this greenhouse. Now, I think what we're going to assume is the greenhouse doesn't need the bottom covered. Would that be a good assumption? Okay. So the greenhouse, generally speaking, it's concrete on the bottom. So do you see this bottom rectangle? We're not concerned with that bottom rectangle. Is that okay? So we're gonna work on the easy stuff first. Let's get some easy marks on the board. I would like you to find this red rectangle on the right and the left. What is the area of that red rectangle? 3 times. And there's 2 of them, isn't there? We happy enough with that? Now, for argument's sake, we're going to find the green one at the back. Everybody see the green one at the back? No, I think it's 15. No, look. 3 times 5? 15? Okay. Yeah. Are you happy with 15 twice? Okay. Now, the deal is with the 15, I'm pretending the door isn't there. The door isn't there currently. Is that alright? Now, is everybody happy with the 2 15s? Okay. Now, the next thing we're going to have to do is the following. I would love to get the area of... It's technically a semicircle at the back, isn't it? Everybody see the purple semicircle? And then you see this semicircle at the front. I want the area of both semicircles, which is essentially the area of... And the area of the circle is pi r. And what is the radius of said circle? How do you know it's 2.5? Alright, let's do that then. Pi times 2.5.
Sir.
I'll put you down in a sec. What you get when you did pi times 2.5? 19.63. Okay. Now we're so close. Now, most of you are looking up at me right now. And what we have is, if I want to make a cylinder, yeah? You looking? See this here? If I want to make a cylinder, I just bend a rectangle into a cylinder shape. And see that's the outside of the cylinder? If I cut that in half then, you only have the the top half or the roof of the building, don't you? So in your notes, what you'll see is a formula called A equals 2 pi r h. And what that is it's the area of it's the area of the curved part of a cylinder. But you haven't got a full cylinder, you only have half a cylinder. So the part I'm actually doing now, believe it or not, is I'm actually sort of looking for this region here. Like it's like the label of a Coke can. That's what I'm after. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 pi r h, and then I'm going to half the answer because I only have half a cylinder. So you guys do that now. I think the R value is still 2.5, isn't it? Yeah, it's 2.5 it says. So the radius value is 2.5. And the height will be 12.
235.62.
Okay, just give me a sec. Shh. Who got 2 by pi by 2.5 by 12? And then divide that answer by 2 because it's only half of one. 188.25? What? Did you divide by 2? 24 or 25? Okay. Shh. Two decimal places. Alright, guys. Shh. Here's what I want you to do now. In your calculators, I want you to do the following. We got to add all this up. Okay? So, what I'm looking to do is I'm looking to get my highlighter here. 36, another 36, a 15, another 15, a 19.63, and a 94.25. Need you to add all those sections together to tell me what is the total surface area of this building. Who got 215.88? Anybody else? Okay. So, shh. So, what we get is 215.88. Now, there is a problem with this, however. Meters, yeah? Does it tell us? Now, we're going to have to take away the door. Shh. It says excluding the floor and the door. That rhymes, you know it does. Now, what we have here, guys, is what size is the door? 2 multiplied by 3.5. So we're going to take away 7. And it says to the nearest meter, so we might as well do 216 take away 7. And what you get? 209 meters squared. Shh. The volume is a lot easier than the surface area. Surface area is really difficult, while the volume is a lot easier. So let me have a look at the volume for you. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to break it up into the area of a box, like so. Give me a sec. Okay, so here's the box here, isn't it? So we're going to break it up into an area. Oh, why? Now, come on. There it is. There. Control D. There's the other one. And what we're going to do is we're going to get the air. We're going to get the volume of this box. Agreed? What is the height of the box? 3. What is the width of the box? And then finally, what is the length of the box? 12. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do length by width by height. Alright, do that then. 5 by 3 by 12. 180 meters cubed. Okay. Shh. Next thing. The next thing is we have half a cylinder. We don't have the full thing, we have half of one. So technically speaking, what I think we're going to do is I'm going to pretend to get the volume of the full cylinder. It's around that size. And the volume of this cylinder, if I was to control D there, and I was just to put it down, I'll just put it this way. Now, if I was to show you this cylinder here, and I goes, guys, find me the volume of this cylinder. And what you guys would say is, okay, no hassle, sir. It's pi r squared h. Wahi. Now. Ready? So it's V equals pi r squared h. Is that okay? And then what we're going to say. So what's the radius? What's the length? 12. I don't have a full cylinder though. What do I need to do then with the answer? I have to divide the answer by 2. Oh, what was the other answer? I just got rid of it a second ago. 180, wasn't it? So what we're going to do is we're going to do pi r squared. We're going to do h. And we're going to divide the answer by 2. 47.12, and then add on the 180.
227.12. No, 227.12.